Hello, everyone. Today, I will introduce this pump with control panel. We can see that this is its control panel. First, we click the Set button. Then continue to press the Set button to enter the parameter configuration interface. Then there will be E. Parameter configuration, R. Output configuration, E. Standalone mode setting, R. Working parameters, Sign correction factor, S. Cumulative zero clearing. Then we turn on standalone mode. It will appear E. Continuous settings, R. Quantitative settings, Sign cycle setting, S. Current setting, 5. Test mode, 6. Calibration mode, 7. Self-tuning mode. Then let's turn on the continuous setting first. It will show the frequency. You can adjust it according to your own needs. Press the back button to return after the setting is successful. Then select quantitative settings. Adjust to the parameters you need. Press the back button to return after the adjustment is successful. Then select the period. Here, it will be shown that the first line is the working period and the second line is the working time. Then the frequency will be displayed, and you can adjust it according to your own needs. Then switch to current mode. Then switch to test mode. Then switch to self-tuning mode. It will show E. Positive effect, R. Negative effects. Let's click the positive effect first. It will appear 4:20 MA set value. We adjust according to our own needs. After the frequency is adjusted, the gain coefficient will appear when we press the Set button. When the adjustment is made, we quit. Then enter the self-adjusting mode to adjust the negative effect. Similarly, it will also have a set value of 420 MA and a gain factor. We adjust according to our own needs. Then we choose our operating parameters. Parameters can be set here. Then we choose sun correction factor. We can adjust the parameters of 20到60 Hz. Then click Clear Cumulative Amount. We can enter the password 12345, press the set key, and the cumulative amount is cleared and returns to the password setting entered mode. Incorrectly, it will be required to re-enter it for 3 consecutive times, and it will return to the standalone setting mode. Next, we click our output configuration. It shows how output even arcs, continuous, timing, period, relevance. We choose continuous. Then open output R. We choose timing. Modify the timing parameters. Then turn on output sun. We choose relevance. Then we exit to the main interface. We can select CE, CR and C-Sun by clicking the yellow triangle button. When I click the yellow round button, we can see that the graph representing CE turns black. This means that it has been started. Next, we select CR and C-Sun respectively and start them. Then we reselect and press the yellow round button, and it will close. This is about the use of the whole machine. Thanks for watching.